The guidelines enable you to convert knowing you need to meet the requirements of the Disability Discrimination Act into knowing how to go about it. They explain and give links to more detailed information about the techniques and practices, standards, and other guidelines. So they don't just tell you what they are, they explain them and then link further so that you can go and read more about them at your leisure. At Intopia, we talk with organizations every day about who are keen to raise their game when it comes to digital accessibility. In strategy and policy terms, we talk about raising digital accessibility maturity. We are often told that we know we need to do it. We know we need to do it for business reasons, for social responsibility reasons as well. But we just don't know where to start. And then, when we have started, how to sustain our effort. These guidelines will help to get from knowing what to knowing how.